Welcome to the another podcast of YCG, means your career growth. I am Mohit Kamnani, and hereby in front of you, we'd like to share with you me and my team's views about PEP and our experiences about PEP. Let me start with Mr. Yash Budwani. He is one of the great designer. He's currently working in a huge technical company, and currently he has developed some niche skills in he has upskills in himself, and he's currently doing a great work. Mr. Yash Budwani, can you come in front? The stage is yours. Can you explain what you're doing right now and how PP changed your life?
Yes, thank you, Mohit, for the great introduction. So basically, I will start with my small intro about what I am doing and what PEP has given me. Starting with my career, I am basically a design engineer, currently working with a reputed manufacturing company in Vadodara, and I have done my mechanical engineering now.
Yeah, Yash, you are a senior most person in our team, and it will be a great to learn from you. You know, I'm still learning from you from when you joined the PEP, and today also I'm learning a lot from you. You are also an inspiration from many. And now we move forward to our next. This is Ravi Nathani. He's a great interview giver. He has given a lots of interviews, and he was also an inspiration for many, even me too. So Ravi, can you come forward?
Yeah. So myself, Ravi Nathani. I completed my BTech degree in mechanical engineering from Charusat University, Changa. I'm currently associated with one of the leading companies in the manufacturing of wires and cables, and it almost been 1.5 years with them. I'm currently a sales executive there.
Great, Ravi. Yeah, a techno commercial professional. Like seeing you only, I have choose that field, techno commercial. Okay, now I would like to move forward to Mr. Akash Alwani. I owe him because he's the one who has guided me about the PEP. He's the one who has told me about PEP too, and he's the one who has insisted me to be a part of PEP. So yeah, Akash Alwani, welcome. The stage is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Mohit. Yeah. So, hello, I am Akash Alwani, and I am from Godra. I have completed my BE in automobile engineering from GTU, and I completed my engineering in 2019 August, and September was the first time when I met sir. And currently, I am doing my MBA with a marketing specialization from Parul Institute, Vadodara.
Great,
Okay.
great.
So, yeah.
So I have taken all your introductions, and I have not given mine. Basically, my name is Mohit Kamnani. I'm hailing from Godhra. I'm currently residing in Ahmedabad, and I'm currently working in a reputed organization as a techno commercial professional. You can say that as a sales engineer. Now, like I said, that Akash brought me in PEP. Akash guided me about PEP. So, Akash, who was the one who guided you in PEP? Who guided you to join PEP? Can you share with me about that?
Yes, I would like to share his name, and I am very thankful to him. Uh, Not only him, but to entire his family, to his entire family. His name is Mr. Deepak Saudani, and he is one of our senior PEP soldier. And
Yeah,
along with me, he has guided many of the PEP students, and he's been helping me from a long time. Yeah.
great. Deepak Savlani is a great person. He's also an inspiration for many, I guess. And
Yes.
yeah. And Ravi, I will move forward to you. Who was the one who had taught you about PEP?
Yeah, there was a combination of three people right now. One was Mr. Akash Alwani.
Wow.
He insisted me and my family to, he told my father to go for PP, and I obeyed my father in his decision. The second one was Deepak sir. He called me
Great.
from Utopia on WhatsApp, and he explained me
Oh my
regarding
God.
PEP. He sent me CV and resume and his salary also. The third was Kiran Ludhiani.
Oh,
So it is a
great.
combination of all these three people, and I am thankful to all of them, and I owe them a lot.
Yeah. So you are inspired by three people,
Yeah.
PEP soldiers who are benefited by PEP. Yeah. So like the same story will be of Yash Budwani, I guess. Yash Budwani, can you share with us?
Yes, yes, Mohit. It's like Deepak Savlani is the common name for all of us because he was the one. Actually, I have a different story from both Akash and Ravi. Actually, I joined the PEP in a year 2017 initially, but
Great.
my there was some notions there that what an engineer can do and what basically what I can do. I had a notion some, so I was re-guided. You can say I was re-guided by Mr. Deepak Savlani, and also I would like to mention the name of Akash also. He was a great link between me and Deepak Savlani for once again, and it was a great that I met Akash on a last second day of joining February 2020 PEP, and that has changed my life a lot. So I would like to
Great,
thanks
great,
for Akash in personally also.
great, great. So, Akash, like a lot of people owe you, I guess. You have changed the lives of many. So, about changing lives, let me tell you what I learned from PEV. Like, let me share with you my experiences. Like, it was very different. It can say those 5 Sundays of PEP Feb 2020, like they actually changed my life. They actually, made my life easy. I had learned a lot of things, literally a lot of things. I was not knowing to speak in English correctly. And today you can see that how I am interacting with each and everyone, how I have removed my stage fear. And I know how to market self today with the help of PV. Like I even can't write emails. I was not like I used to not write emails correctly and all. So CERT guided me to daily write emails and all. So today I have developed that skill of email marketing. From not writing email to I have reached about email marketing. So that is the change I got in BB. And what I learned was cracking the interviews. I was given the weapons by sir, the visual resume, cracking interviews. And today, even in lockdown, I cracked many interviews. I had given 24 interviews and got 3 offer letters. I know Ravi has got better than me, but still, I have got 3 offer letters, and that made my life really easy. And even in lockdown period where there were layoffs and major job cuts, I received 100% salary, means 2x salary, double salary. So PP has given me a lot of things.
And that too in the sales field.
Yeah, that too in the sales field. I had changed from a production, literally, damn production guy, like running on the shop floors, seeing same people daily, and seeing same machines daily. Not really in great exposure for me, but still, I have managed that with the help of P, where sir stood beside me even in lockdown, where we all were tensed, and he had just changed our life. He has just changed my life and everyone's life. So I would like to ask also Yash Udvani, that how PEP has impacted you. What are the changes you got from PEP?
Okay, so Mohit, you said truly, PEP has changed my life. Means basically you can say, I know that even for a future, I can consider that it will be a good for me because it's like PEP shows you the vision of a future, better future, I will say. So
Correct.
talking about like this PEP sessions, actually it was in February 2020 when I joined, and after that suddenly the lockdown came in, and it was like hell for some of the people, and I know many have suffered, but for me, and I think might for all of us, it was a cheese on the cake, because what we achieved, it was like implementing PEP to 100%, because we got that time to implement each and every point of PEP, like to learn books, like to apply for interviews, like to we write mails and interact with a person day on the daily basis. Like I would say we have, I think, talked each and every day of a lockdown.
Yeah,
I have
yeah,
talked to Mohit and Ravi, and we know it was like 10:30, and we had a video call, and
yeah,
it
yeah,
was such a good idea. And because
yeah,
this created, like, when we say that when someone has an empty mind, means basically is not doing nothing, then he will create a negative emotions and all. but due to these calls and plus reading books, I would say that has helped me a lot. And PEP just helped me to keep my mind stable in this lockdown period. And also I would say it has I would say thanks sir for encouraging me to increase, means helping me find my USP. Basically it was in the lockdown period I came to know that I am good in graphic designing part. And we had a many much fun on, even on LinkedIn, like tagging on the this
Yeah,
of these
yeah.
skills. So I would like to thank this means by default I would like to thank Corona also, because it it has somewhat helped me to develop my skill. So
Yeah,
this was the
yeah.
my journey of a PEP and what PEP has changed for me.
You know, PEP has made you graphic designer, and PEP has made me content writer. Today I can
Yeah,
write
yeah,
lengthy blogs and all. You know, I have
yeah.
no hesitation in writing, and my words, are synchronization in my mind are continuous now.
Yes,
That I
I
can
would
just
like to
think
give
in
you
Hindi
thumbs
and
up
utter.
on that point, because what I have seen
Thank you.
your change in you on the, and
Yeah,
also on your LinkedIn posts, and what was
great.
marvelous you have, what you have changed.
Thank you. Because it is all because of the development of us as a team
Yes,
by the
yes,
guidance of
sure.
Sir. Because we have grown as a team, right? And next is Mr. Ravi Nathani, the great interview giver, I can say, and also the one with many offer letters. He has the Midas touch on the interviews. The interview he gives, he's just he's getting his offer letters and all. He's just great. So Ravi Nathani, can you
Yeah,
tell us that how PV changed you?
definitely. I joined PEP in Feb 2020. It was 2nd of Feb. I came at around 9 a.m. I was sitting on the last bench and watching who is Celestar, what he will teach, and how will I will be get benefited. And from the next Sunday, I was sitting on the first bench with the two of you. So it was overall a great journey. Sir has helped me throughout the journey. I owe him a lot. He has helped me because I was a lazy person. I was not a reader. From being a non-reader to completing around 7 books in a month of in a span of seven
Oh
months
my
has
God,
been a great achievement for me.
my God.
So I can tell you that talking about my interview skills, you both have Yash and Mohit have helped me a lot. I always talk with them regarding what interview I have given, what is the offer letter. Until now, the applications are like 1,000 plus applications, 120 interviews, and around 24, 25 offer letters. And I also have negotiated in my current company.
Oh
So
my God.
all this has been possible because of Sir and PEP. Sir has always helped me, motivated me to go for that extra mile, not to stop there, do negotiations, make contacts with people. Sir always helped me to go for that extra mile, and I always owe you, also you, two of you, for being there. And I am always a proud soldier, having two of the best people in the PEP soldier with me. One has been, we all have birds of different feathers flocking together. So we all three have different USPs, and I am so proud to be a part of this family and hope to continue for it many more years to come.
Yeah, I would
Yeah,
say
great.
that Ravi is you just pointed it correctly. पत्थर को सोना बनाने वाला. It's like
Yeah,
converting to interviews to a offer letter.
there's
So
Yeah,
offer letter.
it's like great, and Ravi has been inspiration for me also, that of regarding these interviews and how to develop your skills, how to talk freely, and like the person who is taking interview gets confused. Is he a interviewee or interviewer?
Yeah, yeah, correct,
एक
very
बात
correct
कहना
suggestion.
चाहूंगा इस बात पे आप एक बात याद आ रहा है कि आप जाइए उनसे जो मांगेंगे ना आपको रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा इफ यू आर आस्किंग इवन 100 or 150% हाइक and if you deserve that you will get it definitely he won't ask you even a single question. That has been the case with Moise. He got an 100% hike. I am getting around 50 or 80% hike. I know
Yeah,
it is all because of PEP and sir, and
mhm.
thanks to Sir Silas sir for this wonderful platform. And we have always been motivated. This Corona has come as a blessing in disguise because we got to gel with each other so well. because we were not knowing each other so well. So it came as a blessing in disguise, and we are now one of the best friends. The Triputi, as sir always says.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Triput is
thing,
of PEP. Yeah.
the thing was before PP, we used to know only each other names. We just know that.
Yes.
I just know that yeah, this is Yash Budwani, this is Ravi Nathani, and all. I was connected with Akash because Akash was my childhood friend. Okay, Akash is my childhood friend. Sorry. So I was like connected with him and all the time. So before PP, it was that case, and after PP, we are all together today, learning with each other. And today we also know each other's strength, each other weakness, and we all as a team, Ravi, Yash, Akash, we all as a team support each other because it's a PP portfolio. PP agenda is to always grow together. That's what the PP has taught us, and that's what
Yes,
Mr. Akash has taught us. That
yes, sir.
because he has gathered a team like us, so we owe him a lot, as I said earlier, because P3 would not be here like without the contribution of Akash. So I would like to tell Akash sir, like what was the change after PEP? What have you learned from PEP?
First of all, I'm very happy while doing an interaction with all of you, and I'm constantly smiling as if I'm very happy to see you because now what are the uh, advantages? Like what was the, if I say about my transformation, my biggest transformations are my notions. Like being from a business family, not my father owns a small business, but I had many notions regarding job. लाइक जॉब की एक लिमिट है कि यहाँ तक ही जाएंगे मतलब व्हेन मी एंड मोहित वेर यूज्ड टू डिस्कस अबाउट जॉब वी नो दैट नौकरी में क्या है बट व्हेन आई केम टू न्यू
Nokri mein. Yes.
व्हेन आई first of all, when I met Deepak sir, Dirgayu sir, many of the PP soldiers and Sangram sir, and when I heard about their salary in just 2 to 3 years, my mind was not working, and I was very shocked. Another transformation about myself, I can say that I was a very introvert guy. Introvert in a sense that I would be very performable guy in my comfort zone. I would never be like free to talk with anyone, and English was my weakness. No doubt, I knew English. I was watching very many English movies, but my biggest weakness was stage fear. By speaking in front of 5 to 8 people, it's not my thing. I started like fumbling, and was not my thing. So uh, biggest thanks to Salis sir, of course. He's the one who is teaching us, constantly teaching us. And I have not done anything while saying about PEP to you. But as I have been a link to all of you, I'm very happy because Ravi, Mohit, all of are getting hike of twice they were earning past lockdown. Another thing I would like to say, yes, this family is very supportable
Yeah,
even in
you're right.
hard times. Yeah,
Yeah.
if we ask for help, even if I would drop a message, there would be 40 PP soldiers, not soldiers in a sense, they are like a family to us. They would be ready to help us at any time. And the reason behind it is just the advice and just the footsteps of Mr. Salas sir, nothing else.
Yes, you're right.
He is the one who is saying, and we 45 to 50 PP soldiers are just following him. Each and everything from morning to night, even if it is regarding job or regarding our family matters, he has guided us a lot. And yes, so this would be, and there are many things. This
Great,
session
great.
would take, yeah,
Yeah,
whole
it
day.
will take it will take a whole day, I guess. There are a lot of stories to explain and
And
a lot of memories from this.
I would like to say that my biggest achievement would be to getting to meeting people over here and maintaining this relation lifetime.
Yeah, great, great. And I can say that Ravi, Yash, Akash is a great seller. He
Yes.
has a strong business mind. and this business mind, no one no one can crack this business mind. He can easily sell. We can say na that बाटली में उतरना आता है. We can say that. Yeah, he can easily do. He
Nothing
can.
like that. No.
All the blessings of Mr. Deepak,
Oh,
sir.
yeah. That's great. No, Deepak sir.
Yeah,
always
it means
guiding.
like Akash shared that what sir has told, that once you start following sir, and you will literally see the changes. Actually, I would like to add one point from my side, that due to this only, this as the quotes as says that cannon to the right, cannon to the left, not to ask why, just to do and die. So like it's like to follow the major, and we are the troops.
Right.
So basically, we are the troops, and we have to follow the sir. So looking at that opportunity, and sir has guided me a lot, and sir has now just suggested me to do my masters in business administration, MBA. So as the quote says that cannon to the right, cannon to the left, not to ask why, and just to do and die. So there is a principle of a Silas sir, that the troop, we are like the PP soldiers are the troops, and sir is our major, and we have to follow the instruction of sir, and that has helped me a lot to achieve. And due to this only, that sir has guided me to do an MBA, Masters in Business Administration, and it's a
Great.
great for me, I think, because it will provide me a platform of keeping myself in the front of a world, of an open world of sales, marketing, and you can say like a world full of opportunities. So it's a great for me that I have joined TEP, and thank you. I would like to personally thank Silas sir for this.
Wow. We all actually need to thank for that, because he has just changed our lives. Like I can say that what we would be without him today.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And as you said that sir has guided you for MBA. Sir had also guided me because earlier I was in my comfort zone about a technical field. I live with a technical field. I was not ready to live it. But today he told me to. He only guided me to go in the fear zone, and in fear zone that was my changing the field. Changing the field was literally fear for me, but with the guidance of him, it is now becoming easy. And today I am in the growth zone as a techno-commercial professional. The switching zones is a path that is a path where you need a mentor like him, who is who has more than 35 years of teaching experience, 35 years of professional experience, you can say, and he has trained more than thousands of students. Like, it is a great to be under. And further, I would like to ask you all one thing, that it is always in my mind that sir has given each and every individual a one line tip. And is very important for us. So, sir, which is that one line tip that sir has told you all to follow? Starting from Yash Budwani, can you share with us that tip?
Yes, of course, Mohit, because sir has just given me a one short line, and you can say he has repeatedly asked me to do so, and it's like it's called planning. So basically, we
Right.
know that planning, but sir has told me to do a schedule, make a schedule, and follow that schedule, and I'm doing that, and it's good for me.
Wow, it's a great planning. We all need planning in our life,
Yeah.
I can say. So, Mr. Ravi Nathani, can you share with us what was that one line
Yeah,
best tip to the
yes, sir.
interview
One
giver?
line tip.
Yeah,
Sir, sir has not told me regarding the interview. It was basically reading more and more books, more
great.
self-help books and motivational books, so you can grow in your career, and you don't need to be motivated at any point of time. By reading books, you can always be motivated. So that was the one tip line for me.
Great, great. Reading books is a great thing. So yeah, I would like to move forward to Mr. Akash. Yeah,
Yeah.
Akash Alwan, can you share with us that one line important tip
sir has given many tips. Okay, but
Wow.
I would not say. But one of the lines that has stuck me in my mind. Once sir wrote me a mail, and that line was that sir is a very religious person. He says
Right.
that biggest problem can be solved by God. So sir
Wow.
said that uh, God won't give you money. He would send people in your life. Okay,
Wow.
from whom you can learn. So
Right.
that
Right.
was the that line. वो एक line में इतना बड़ा ज्ञान है जो that is stuck in my mind. So I think this is what I am. I am meeting so many good people like a PP family, and
Great.
which is contributing in my success. Okay, so this was
Wow.
one line there
It's
from sir.
great.
Yeah.
And I would like to share. I would also like. Yeah. Yeah. I would like to also share mine. And sir has also told me. First of all, he has told me to never settle. Never settle. He has told me to grow and grow, to keep on moving, not to be stagnant. He has also told me to write. He has also told me to write him lengthy letters, lengthy emails, because he's fond of reading. He's literally fond of it, and he loves when someone like him, likes a good emails and all. So he just he just tells me to write something, to write. He also tells me to write love letters. He also told me to write love letter because when you write a love letter, it brings out the inner feelings. Your best English will come out when you write a love letter.
Perfect.
So that was the thing you told me. Perfect. It was, yeah, I can say PP has made us perfect. I can say. Literally
Yeah,
perfect.
yeah.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. So yeah, this was all
It
for the
was a
today,
nice
and
introduction. Yes.
it was
Yeah.
a nice. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Mr.
Mohit.
Akash, Mr.
Thank you, everyone.
Sulaiman, Mr. Ravi. Thank you for being with us, and yeah, stay tuned for the further podcast, and we will be back soon. I'm Mohit Kamnani now signing off. Thank you.